what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, in this video, it's Foam Friday. What does that mean? It's time to foam your ride. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 different methods how you guys can foam your ride or your wheels. Let's get started. So let's get right into it. How do you achieve shaving cream-like suds? The first method is going to be using a foam cannon. A foam cannon attaches to any pressure washer. So the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon has a big blow bezel, a big mouth where you could dilute your soap. It has a foaming adjustment knob and it has a quick release fitting. So how do you use the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon? First off, you need a pressure washer that has a minimum PSI level of 800 and a gallons per minute of 1.6. By having a pressure washer like this, you can pair the Torque Snubby with the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon, and like this, you shoot thick like shaving cream like suds. So whenever you're using the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon, it all starts off how you set it up. We always recommend using warm water inside your canister, and then you go ahead and mix your choice of Chemical Guys soap. In this occasion, I'll be showing you guys how much suds Sticky Snowball paired with Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon achieve on this Tesla Plaid. This Tesla Plaid is white, but it's dirty. There's a lot of dirt, grime, debris. The owner likes to drive it. The owner likes to launch it. All Chemical Guys soaps, whether you pair with a foam blaster, foam cannon, they're all going to soap up amazing. The shaving cream like suds are going to be unbelievable. But in this occasion, since it's Foam Friday, I want something that's going to be ultra mega suds. So that's why I'll be using the Sticky Snowball car washing soap. So let's move on to foaming method number 2. The foaming method number 2 is going to consider of using a foam blaster. Say you don't have a pressure washer, but you still want to shoot thick like suds and you have running water, that's perfectly fine. The Torque Foam Blaster 6 has a nozzle that you could simply unattach from the foam blaster. You attach it to your garden hose down below, you attach it, you reattach it to your foam blaster, and you're ready to foam away. Like this, you could join the foaming action, the foam party, with Chemical Guys by using the Foam Blaster 6. The Foam Blaster 6 also has a dial up top where you could adjust your suds. Whether you want high suds, less suds, it all matters on you. Just turn that dial, foam away. And the cool thing about the Foam Blaster 6 is if you have a big truck, a small car, and you want to shoot vertical or horizontal suds, all you do is unattach the nozzle and you reattach it however you want. Whether you want horizontal or vertical, it all depends on you. So like this, whether you have a big car, small car, dirty car, filthy car, the foam that the Foam Blaster 6 is going to produce is going to be unbelievable. And once you're done finishing washing your ride, you could simply unattach the nozzle and rinse out the car. Once you're done, reattach it on here, store it away, and use it next time. But how do you achieve the maximum suds? Same thing like the foam cannon, you want to use warm water inside your canister. You could use 1 to 2 ounces of soap inside the bottle, and like this, you achieve thick premium like suds. Whether you're using a foam cannon or foam blaster, whether regular standard garden hose, it all matters on you. Now we're gonna move on to the next foaming part. Whenever it comes to your wheels, you want to have high amounts of suds and lubrication. So this is why we're gonna be using the Ducky sprayer bottle. The Ducky sprayer bottle mixed with Diablo wheel gel. I already went ahead and diluted it into my Ducky sprayer bottle 3-to-1 ratio, and by me diluting them, it's going to cause a foaming like action. You gotta keep this in mind. Your wheels get a lot of dirt, grime, debris, brake dust, and brake dust is actually small metal particles that sit on the face of the wheel. So what ends up happening if you do not add lubrication, like using the Ducky spray bottle and Diablo wheel gel, you're gonna start scratching your wheels. Whether you have custom wheels, anodized, aluminum, Diablo wheel gel cleans every type of wheel. By pairing it with the Ducky sprayer bottle, you're going to lubricate the surface with high amounts of suds, and whenever you come out with your assortment of brushes, like the Wheelie Wheel brush or the Red Rocket, it's going to go ahead and clean the wheel thoroughly, and you're gonna get a scratchless wheel wash. So there you guys have it, guys. Using these methods, you're gonna get a scratchless wash, an unbelievable shine, and nonetheless, you're gonna join the Chemical Guys foam party. If you wanna be tagged on our Instagram or our social media, make sure to tag us at Chemical Guys on your story or post. Or if you wanna pick up any of these products that I went over today on this video, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or you can stop by your local detail garage. I recommend you do so. It's a detailer's paradise. We have over 85 detail garage locations across the US, including the UK and Canada. As always, guys, I'm Henry. Thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time, right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. All right, guys, so now that the paint has been cleaned, the wheels have been cleaned, one thing that I'm missing is the tire shine. The tire shine does it all for the ride, so that's why I'll be using Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine. Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine is our newest tire shine that is going to enhance a deep wet shine to your tires. So I already sprayed onto my applicator. I'll just rub it on, and like this, by me applying Galactic Black to the tires, it's going to give it that finishing touch that it needs. Now that the paint is glossy, the paint are going to be shiny. But anyways, this was a bonus clip for you guys. If you guys want to pick up your bottle right now, hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, pick it up there, or stop by your local detail garage.